Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on self-serve returns for products on your Shopify store. And what this does is actually allow you to make your customers have the ability to manage returns for products. So how do you do that? Go to the settings on the lower left hand side, and under this section here, you want to go ahead and look for customer account. Now, once you're there, you want to scroll down and you will find a section under the customer account, self-serve return. You can turn that on. So these are features that they will have under their account that will allow them to, do various things. One, here you also have the option to enable store credits, but there's also the self-service return that's going to allow them to request and manage returns. And yeah, and you can easily customize what they can return or not by simply go ahead and view the return rules. So once you turn that feature on, you can always go to the return rules and you can just set up the policy and just set up what you want to ensure that they're able to return or not. So here's the return rules. You can click on manage, and once you're here, you can just basically set up what you want. So you can say return window can be 30 days, right? Or whatever, right? You can go ahead and set up all of these things here and save. So they'll be able to see these return rules. And yeah, you try it on once you're satisfied, and that's all that you really have to do, guys.